Hey everyone, Victor Salazar here. Hope everybody's doing well. Wanted to do a quick little update on this light. This is my Blizzard Puck Unplugged Q6 light. Just a quick video here. I used this light maybe about 2 weeks ago. Charged it. The event, we had the light on at full DMX, strobing, changing colors, chases, everything. And brought it and brought it home and haven't used it since. So this awesome light, you guys can see, check it out, still has power. Sorry if it's bright, but I just wanted to share this thing with you guys. It's still at high intensity, if you guys can see. There's my kid's cup. It's Valentine's Day coming up, so yeah, that's the decorations. So again, guys, the Blizzard lighting, the Puck Q6 Unplugged. I got mine through nlfxpro.com. Contact Ben Stowe for the best prices around. Stay in the mix.